Hey guys, so I just got the Benefit 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar in the mail, so I figured I would open it with you on camera and see what's inside. How cute is this, by the way? So let's open it. So this retails for $65. It says it's $142 value. How cute! Look at all the little boxes. Is this upside down? For day one. Open this up. Oh, okay. It's not the kind where you tear it. It's like literally this tiny little box. Has little tissue paper. How stinking cute, you guys. It's a Precisely My Brow Pencil. Well, how will they know what your color is? Shade 4. So I don't know if there's like different colors in like different advent calendars. No, but I love this product. I literally used this today on my brows. So day 2. Ooh, this is a good one. It's a roller liner. I actually really like this liner. Good for like doing a little wing. 3 is a mini Bad Gal Bang mascara. I actually prefer sometimes to use a mascara mini. Like I feel like the formula is always better. Okay, day 4. Ooh, we have a mini Professional, the hydrate version. This is really good. I used this the other day and it works so well. Day 5. Day 5 is a mini They're Real mascara. 6. We have a little mini Gimme Brow, and I think this is in shade 3. It's a really good advent calendar, especially if you need brow products. Day 7.
A little mini dandelion. I love this. This is
a baby pink soft blush. Okay, day 8, roller lash mascara. I love this in the mini. Day number 9 is the 24-hour brow setter. This is such a good little mini to have for travel. 3 more days. We're on day 10. A mini Hoola bronzer. So cute. Okay, we have day number 11. This is another Professional, but this is like the original one. Last day, we have day 12. I'm sad this is the last one. I always get sad at the end of the advent calendar because
I just want it to go on forever.
And then the last item is a mini They're Real magnet mascara. So stinking cute. Let me know what you guys thought of this. And it's also just like in such a cute box as well. Like I would love to get this as a gift. So there we have it, you guys. Let me know what you thought.